take a look at this. This isn't just a drone feed. It's an autonomous environmental sentinel. Our 5G Proxy AI is analyzing every single frame in real time, looking for anomalies.
Critical warning. Smoke plume detected. Potential fire hazard. Human verification required immediately.
Boom. Instant detection. No human spotter needed. The AI recognized the hazard, triggered the override, and generated a tactical report on the spot, all processed on our ground servers. But detecting the fire is only half the battle. In a real-world disaster, commanders don't have time to stare at a monitor. So what's next? We are currently integrating this core AI directly with the Line Messaging API. In our next deployment, the moment that drone sees smoke, it won't just flash on a screen. It will instantly push a live image, GPS coordinates, and a threat assessment directly to the mobile phones of the emergency response team. Real-time detection, real-time action. Stay tuned.